Alright guys, welcome back to another video, another unboxing. So yeah, today we got the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. And as many of you guys know, I've recently gotten the iPad Pro 12.9, which is right here. And I've also, have a couple of devices in the Apple ecosystem. And so this is one of the main accessories that everyone's recommending to me. So here we are, unboxing this. And yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of these. And yeah, as soon as we pop it open, here we are, greeted to this. And just before me, just getting this in my hand, this already feels heavier than the iPad Pro itself. So yeah, it's got a premium feel to it, just out the box. I can already let you know, right? And yeah, we're just gonna open the plastic. Here it is. This is the matte finish. And then we're just gonna pop this open. There we go. And so what Apple has decided now is to give us a little manual in here, which is really smart, because it's better that rather than wasting space, they're just gonna put it in here. And here's your little manual on how this works. And I guess some stickers. Actually, maybe not. No, they didn't give stickers this time. And so this is just, I guess you can say, little terms that we need to read. Put that on the side for now. And here is the keyboard itself. And so this is going to magnetically attach onto the back of the iPad Pro. And so it's going to connect seamlessly, as they say it. It also has a connecting port right here of USB Type-C. So basically, this is an extra port as well. And yeah, the keyboard. And it also has the new scissor switches, which is the newest in the MacBook, right? They got rid of the butterfly switches, which is, I'm pretty sure everyone knows, not that great. You also have a touch bar, which is not MacBook touch bar, but it's still pretty decent for an iPad. So let me just try and connect it. Let's see how it works. So let me just line up the camera. And so this thing connects with the three little prongs right here. You'll be able to see the three prongs here somewhere. There they are. And then the case also has those three prongs right here. And so it would magnetically be attached on like that. And here we are. So you can adjust it. It has many different viewing angles. So as you can see, just when I plugged it in, the iPad turned on, and you can see the backlit keys just turn on as well. And then, see that? I'm just moving around the cursor. It's like a little, I guess you can say, it's kind of translucent. You can see what's behind it. And I'm just going to swipe up. And yeah, here we are, back to the screen. And this has pretty much similar stuff to basically the MacBook. You can swipe with two fingers this way, right? And now, yeah, so everything you go on, let's see if you're normally just like scrolling around or just circling around, everything you go close to that can be touched, as soon as you go close to it, just like that, it's going to be highlighted, right? And then you can go ahead and then click on it, and then it's going to open. So you can do that, and see, when I want to go home, let's go there, see? Just like that. Everything becomes highlighted when I go over it, like so. And so, as a matter of first, just out the box, you're gonna have to click for it to work. And then you can just go on the trackpad, on your general settings. And then you can go tap to click, which I'm more preferred to because I'm from the Mac, of course. So now you can just tap stuff just to click on them. I can go back. And there we are. We're over here. Now just a single tap, it opens up. 2 finger secondary click. Most of you probably know this. This is just, again, like the MacBook. Natural scrolling is just the way how you scroll, which I'm kind of used to as well. And just like that, you can see that it's highlighted. I'm just going to go somewhere. Let's say, I'll go on the keyboard. See how the general tab is highlighted? And then you can just click on it, and you're good to go. Yeah, so the keyboard itself is really nice. Let me just move this over to the side. And yeah, so let's say if we were just to go to the middle, you just hold it up there. And then you're going to see basically everything around there. And yeah. So this would be it for this video, guys. And if you like this video, make sure you like it. Also hit that subscribe button and share this with your friends. I'll catch you later.